Hello students, this is ISI MSQE 2019 solution. Two flatmates, 1 and 2, rent a flat and play their own music on the CD player owned by the flat owner. So they both like their own music but dislike the music played by the other. Given that the timing constant, each must play their music when the other person is also present. Mi equal to denote the amount of music played, so utility function is this. So how much music which each individual play, what is the efficient amount of music for each individual, is the amount of music is less than or the equal to efficiency level. Okay, so here we can see that each individual would play 2 units of music. So M1 equal to M2 equal to 2. So the efficient level can be found by maximizing the sum of utility. Maximize sum of utility. So this is M1 star equal to M2 star equal to 8 by 7. So this amount of music can actually be played is more than the efficient level, since flatmates don't account for the negative externality. They exert each other when making the individual decisions. So this is the first part done. Second part is individual 2 is considering to gift a headphone to the flatmate to the father on her birthday. Assume that she does not get any utility from just gift giving. So what is the maximum price she is willing to pay for the headphone? So if the individual 2 is gifting a headphone, so she won't have to incur this utility. So this will be 3 minus m square by 2 after the derivative from the music player of the flatmate. Since m1 equal to 2, so minus 3 4 by 2, so minus 6 here. So this utility equal to 6. So therefore maximum she is willing to pay for the headphone is also 6. Suppose that the price of the headphone is 11. Does it make sense for the two flatmates to jointly buy a headphone, sharing the price equally, making the binding commitment that they would listen to their own music once via the headphone? Yes, it does, because doing so increases the utility by 6 and the cost by 5.5 each. So it's a beneficial from both, and previous costs will also be reduced. Last part. Now suppose that the CD player is owned by the individual 1, so that she can prevent individual 2 from playing the music at all. So suppose the individual 1 can offer take it or leave it contracts that looks like the following. So I shall pay the music at a level M1 and you can play the music at the level M2 in return for a sum of rupees T. In case of the contract is rejected, individual 1 selects M1 unilaterally and individual 2 cannot play the music of our choice. Solve the optimal problem here in this case. So if the contract is rejected, individual 1 will pay for M1 equal to 2, which leads to the utility 8 plus Y1 for individual 1 and Y2 minus 6 for individual 2. So the optimal contract would be the solution of the problem. Max M1 M2 of T, 8 M1 minus 2 M1 square, 3 M2 square by 2 plus Y1 plus T, subject to 8 M2 minus 2 M2 square minus 3 M square by 2 greater than minus T greater than equal to minus 6. So observe that the constraint will be binding, because of the otherwise the individual 1 can increase T slightly and obtain higher utility. So it must hold that 8m2 minus 2m2 square minus 3m square by 2 plus 6 equal to T. So then the problem becomes a little bit different. So max of 8m1 minus 2m1 square minus 3m2 square by 2 plus y1 plus 8 m2 minus 2 m2 square minus 3 m1 square by 2 plus 6. Solving this will give us m1 equal to m2 equal to 8 by 7, and t can be computed from the above constant. So this is the optimal contract constraint with the efficient music levels.